It's Friday.
Friday the what?
Friday the 13th.
Do you know what this means?
No?
It means we can step on a crack.
Why would we do that?
Watch and learn.
I'm so happy, oh, lucky me.
Meanwhile,
If you step on a crack on Friday the 13th, your mom's back cracks.
Why would we want to do that?
Cause it's funny.
But what if she gets hurt?
Come on, it can't be that bad. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Toady?
Yes?
Your mother broke her back really bad, and now she's in the hospital.
Told you so.